morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn theories of coordination compounds. They are two theories, valence bond theory and crystal field theory. We simply said VBT and CFT. Coordination complex is covalent in nature. Each ligand should have at least one filled orbital containing a lone pair of electrons. These vacant orbitals of central atom undergoes hybridization. These hybridized orbitals are directional and their orientation in space gives a definite geometry to the complex ion. It is tetrahedral, octahedral, like that. Linear shape, trigonal planar shape, tetrahedral shape, square planar shape, trigonal bipyramidal shape. Octahedral complexes n-1 orbitals involved in the hybridization. In tetrahedral complexes, nd orbitals are involved in the hybridization. The complexes contain a central metal atom with unpaired electrons, that is called as paramagnetic in nature. If the electrons are all paired, means the complex will be in diamagnetic in nature. The ligands CO, NH3, CN, En are also called as strong field ligands. F is a weak field ligand. Greater the overlapping between the ligand orbitals and hybridized metal orbital, greater is the bond strength. Crystal field theory to explain some of the properties like color, magnetic behavior, etc. This theory was originally used to explain the nature of the bonding in the ionic crystals, octahedral and tetrahedral. Crystal field theory assumes that the bond between the ligand and central metal atom is purely ionic. The central atom or ion point charges in case of charged metals like ions or ligands. The complex formation is considered as the following serious hypothetical steps. In an gaseous state, all the 5d orbitals of the central metal ion are degenerate. Crystal field splitting in the octahedral field. In the high spin, dx squared minus y squared and dz squared. In the low spin, dxy, dxz and dyz. Crystal field splitting in the tetrahedral field. In the high spin, dxy, dyz and dxz. In the low spin, dx squared minus y squared and dz squared. Octahedral is reciprocal to the tetrahedral field.